Leave them alone, boys. Let them play. You guys are smothering them.
So I don't want to hold him.
No.
Why? Why not?
Dozer. What you doing, baby? What's Dad's pup doing? What Dad's pup doing, boy? Dad, little beast.
I got two dogs.
We got two puppies, yeah. Buddy. Buddy.